All right, so we're putting in these brackets. These brackets, this roof, part of the roof's already existing. So I'm going to show you how Jeff does this. First of all, he's going to find the truss that we're looking for. Basically just looking for the truss, put a nail in, make sure we're hitting it. And once you find it, put a mark on the roof. And the next one will be 4 feet from that. That's the layout of most trusses. Every 2 feet, we're going every 4 feet with these brackets. They'll end up looking like that.
See, that's what was happening.
Yeah. Okay, so first we start out, we're putting a little bit of caulking, roofing caulk on the back of this bracket.
At Sherman, we heard you shouldn't talk about going to the bathroom in public, so we decided to sing about it.
I usually help them with this part, but I'm holding the camera. And you're in the truss, you'll know you're in the truss. Now these, you can cut these down to size so you don't have to remove 2 rows of nails. We removed the nail here. And if you cut that down just like 2 inches, 1.5 inches, which is more than enough to give you the amount of protection you need there. One more nail to pull. Maybe we didn't pull that nail yet.
If you need bold banners to boost your business, but you're on a budget, think Staples. Posters, flyers, signs, and menus for less.
Down there like that, get her sized in, and I will cut that top shingle so that lays out flat like those.
150 or more. Same-day service available on hundreds of items if you order by noon. And all backed by Staples' Print Perfect guarantee. So it's done right or it's printed again free. Staples, your local print and marketing expert. N61, visit staples.com/print for details.
Tyler from Wendy's here. The best part of Wendy's new Cinnabon pull-apart is every part. Unlike mornings, which have no good parts until now.
And there's this
because with Wendy's new breakfast Cinnabon pull-apart,
bolt that goes in.
Finally don't completely suck. And now that mornings have warm,
sticking in my fingers.
rolled dough and ooey gooey frosting.
There you go, Jeff. I could stick it in my hands. I'm definitely not left-handed.
Get to Wendy's today and get the best
Smart
part
ass.
in every bite.
So that's locked in. Smash it down. Now he puts a nail in. Above the line. And we'll come back through after we get this row and we'll tar all those down. That's how you do it. Good job, Jeff.